Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks, and this video is about laser runtime. If you're doing a frame, this frame is 11 by 14 on the inside, and you would never have graphics like this, but I just made two rectangles that are curved. But if you had graphics on the side, and even more so would this be the case if it ran, like if you put seashells or different things. To run this entire plaque on my laser, at my 60-watt laser at 70 speed, would have taken, I didn't do it, 33 minutes and 6 seconds. If you did just these two side graphics, it would take 27. So that's saving, I mean, it's not saving, but just kind of show you the difference. Because the names only took 5 minutes and 41 seconds, or 5 minutes and 41 seconds for the two names. So you add that together and you get around 33 something. But you can save time by saving at 5 minutes if you do these individually, because you've got 14.66 inches of dead space. Your laser's having to go back and forth through almost 15 inches of dead space. So to do that, once you've got your frame in there and you've done some red line, hairline test to make sure everything's in the right spot, if you will select on your one side of the graphic and go to print, and I'll have to change my printer to a laser, and then you put selected, and then let's go to preview, and it's only going to engrave that part. And then you would just do the same thing for the other side. Then grab that part and put selected in preview, and then it's just going to run that part. So, and this is actually 2209. So you've got, well, this is the preview. So you've got 5 minutes and 41 seconds for the name, and you've got 8:34 twice for the graphic is only 2209. You saved 9 minutes by doing it this way, and that's a long time to be sitting there watching your laser run. So think about that next time you're doing some, something like this where you've got a big dead space like a frame and you've got stuff on the outside, especially if you had a border. So think about that next time. Do some select. That way your laser is just going back and forth here instead of going all the way back and forth. So that's laser runtime. Save you a little time. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.